Is the transportation average flashing a start of a new bear market? Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There's no guarantees of making money in the markets, so be smart about the way that you're trading. And it does take a while to become a good trader. You know that, right? So, guys, first thing in the description, 7 steps to becoming a good trader. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, guys, what's been happening on the transports? Now, a lot of people say that the transportation average, the transport industry, the service industry, is like a leader to what's actually happening underneath the surface, which sort of makes sense, right? I know we're in a technology industry right now, but guess what? How do you think the products actually get to you? Transports, right? So they say transports is like a bit of a leader of what's actually really happening underneath the surface. So right now, what are we seeing here? We're seeing right now that the transportation average has broke down, created a lower high, and we've continued to break down through here. So the short term, we're breaking down through here, aren't we? Now, if I bring up my weekly chart through here, this is my weekly chart. Look what just happened just recently. And if you have a look at this here, we created a low. This is a higher low, some sort of higher low through here. Higher low, market ran up, created a high, and now it's come back down, and now it's actually created a lower low. So to me, guys, this is the start of a bear market. Now, what actually happens in a bear market? We actually get what? We get some rallies, and then we get drops, and we get some rallies, and then we get drops. Do not be fooled to say this here is likely to be a start of a bull market. Now, what do we need in a bull market? We need higher highs and higher lows. But the most important part is higher lows. In a downtrend, we need lower highs and lower lows. So, and the most important part is a lower high. So right now we have what? We have broken down the lower low. If we do start to rally up out of this and then create a lower high and then break the previous lows, guess what? Bear market, downtrend, and then we can start to see a lot more downside to come out of this one here. And if I bring up, say, a bit more of a longer term chart, it's interesting, isn't it? Like the transport's actually really, considering how much Trump's been saying about how good things have been, the transports really didn't go up a lot, didn't it? Not compared to like the Dow and the Nasdaq, right? So the market ran up. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think oh, that's actually the daily chart. Do you think the transports sector is now flashing a warning sign that we're weakness in sign, or do you think there's something else there? Let me know what you think in the chat box below. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training, and I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.